The U.S. government is not seeking a regime change in North Korea, the Secretary of State says, amid tensions over Pyongyang's weapons program. "We're not your enemy," Rex Tillerson said, adding that the U.S. wanted a dialogue at some point. Meanwhile, a senior Republican senator said President Trump considered going to war with North Korea as an option. Pyongyang claimed that its latest missile test could hit the U.S. West Coast and beyond. "We do not seek a regime change, we do not seek the collapse of the regime, we do not seek an accelerated reunification of the peninsula, we do not seek an excuse to send our military north of the 38th parallel," said Mr. Tillerson, referring to the border between the Koreas. "We're not your enemy, we're not your threat, but you're presenting an unacceptable threat to us and we have to respond." The second test of an intercontinental ballistic missile (ICBM) on Friday, celebrated by North Korean leader Kim Jong-un, was the latest to be conducted in defiance of a UN ban. Barbara Pletusher, State Department correspondent. North Korea's recent long-range missile tests have deepened concern about the threat Pyongyang poses to the U.S. mainland, and strengthened determination here to prevent any strike. That's what the president had in mind in his war talk with Senator Lindsey Graham. The Pentagon has updated military options, but at the same time says a confrontation would be catastrophic. In light of that, Mr. Tillerson repeated at length that the U.S. wasn't seeking regime change and said the goal was dialogue, but one not based on the assumption that North Korea could keep its nuclear weapons. Pyongyang has categorically refused such terms. "The strategy," said Mr. Tillerson, "is a sustained campaign of peaceful but intensifying economic pressure to change its mind." But given the advances in ballistic technology demonstrated by the recent ICBM tests, there's growing doubt that denuclearization is a realistic possibility. As always, there are no good options when it comes to North Korea, but less time to pursue them.